Hi friends, this video shows how to add electricity biller in Amazon app. Open this Amazon app, tap on this menu icon over here, tap on Amazon Pay icon, tap on bills and recharges. Go down, here you can see add or manage biller. Tap here, tap on add new biller, select electricity. In this form, we have to fill biller and customer ID. In this biller field, we can enter the name of the biller. In my case, this is Bescom. See, I have entered name of the biller here. Then here we have to enter customer ID or account ID. This ID you can get it from the electricity bill. Then tap on save and continue. So that way we can add electricity biller. So next I will show you how we can make the payment. For making payment, again go to this menu, tap on this menu icon, go to Amazon Pay, go to bills and recharges, go down, here you can see pay bills section. Here tap on electricity and here you can see upcoming payment. If you want to make this payment, you can tap here and here you can see the amount, bill due date. Let me complete the payment. Tap on pay now. Here you can see payment options. You can select Amazon Pay balance, credit card or UPI. Select your payment option, then tap on pay and complete the payment. So this way we can pay the electricity bill. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.